Hello friends, welcome to Triumph Fish. Today in this video we're going to unbox a beautiful spike buster. Apart from power socket, this has got two nice features. Before that, let's see what's there in the box. Come on, let's dive in. This comes in a very nice packing and I'm really impressed with this kind of packing for a power socket. I broke it when I tried to open this box, and there's another box inside to keep it secure. The length of this card is 2 meters and this is UK type plug. Now let's take a look at this power socket. And apart from power socket, as I told you earlier, this has got two useful features. The first one is you can see there are 5 USBs with one fast charging port. The second one may not be useful for everyone. This socket comes with a 24-hour timer. This automatically switches off all the devices connected to the socket. Now let's have a look at the build, and the design is very nice and the quality of this product is also fabulous. Now let's turn this on. This socket can take a maximum load of 2500 watts. The maximum output of quick charge is 3.4 amps. Now let's talk about the con. I'm sharing this with you after nearly using it for almost a month now. The only con that I found so far is it's getting overheat, and the reason could be because it has got 5 USBs. If you're living in a hotter region like mine, you may need one of those setup to use this. Never mind if you're in a cooler region. However, the box states that this power socket has got high voltage and temperature protection. And that's all. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for a new video every week. Until then, see you. Bye.